Hey everybody, I'm Michael Thiel, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at HaFSBX. We're excited to attend the International Baking Industry Expo in Las Vegas this September. Stop by and see us at booth 4627 in the West Hall. We'll be showcasing game-changing technology in ingredient handling. HaFSBX has designed an automated micro-batching feeder that can streamline your bakery operations and improve product consistency and operator safety. I'll be presenting more about automated weighing and batching at an IBIE educational session on Sunday morning and Tuesday morning of the show. We look forward to seeing you at IBIE this September.